Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the challenge sticker on your Instagram stories. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture on top of the screen to add a story. Now select a photo from your gallery. Now tap on the sticker icon on top of the screen and select the challenge sticker. Here you will see many popular challenges. I'll just select one in random. And now you have to nominate a friend. You can also nominate multiple friends. I'll just stick with one. I'll just resize it and add a text. You can resize the elements as you want. I'll just change the colors by just simply tapping on the colored circle on top of the screen. Now I'll just share the story. The moment you share the story, your friend will receive a notification. And that's how you can use the challenge sticker on your Instagram stories. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.